Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 2nd, and we are going to take a look at Palantir Stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Palantir is up 45 cents, 4.3%, closed at 10.92. Post-market, we are up by 2 cents. Let's look at what we have here on the charts. Yeah, this is the fifth green day in a row, and this one today is a nice one. Nice green candle, a bit of a wick at the top, so there's some pushback from the sellers. We had that also yesterday, but we did not have that on Friday. Last Friday. We see that things are slowing down a little bit, but still we had a great day. But the sellers are still there. The sellers are still there, most likely because we are starting to get close to this downward resistance right here. And also we are getting very close to this resistance here. Let me give you the exact number. Well, 1103. Let's say 11. That's close enough. Okay, this is what might be slowing us a little bit, but still, we cannot complain about a day like this. If we look at the 1 hour chart, nice green candle, second hour, third hour, and we even broke outside of this 1 hour upward channel. So we broke outside of it, and now we are coming back right into it. So a lot of force here, a lot of force with almost no sellers. This was interesting to see. That's the 1 hour chart right here. And the thing special to mention about this, all of the indicators are great. If we go look at the daily chart, stochastic at TD7, MACD great, RSI great, everything is also great. Let's just ride this pony into the horizon. Let's just watch and eat popcorn and count our paper money in our account. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.